Hi, this is Pankhuri and you're watching me on Movie Talkies. Today I saw this year's most controversial film Udta Punjab, and whether it was worth all the hype or not, I will let you know now. The film deals with rampant drug abuse in Punjab, how it affects the lives of people and the nexus between cops, politicians and drug lords in the state. फिल्म में 4 स्टोरीज पैरेलल चलती हैं। पहली टॉमी सिंह की, अ रॉक स्टार हाई ऑन सक्सेस एंड कोकेन। ड्रग्स की लत की वजह से वो बहुत अनप्रोफेशनल हो जाता है एंड दस स्टार्ट्स लूजिंग आउट ऑन प्रोजेक्ट्स। एक दिन पुलिस उसके घर पे रेड मारती है एंड ऑन डिस्कवरिंग ड्रग्स देयर दे अरेस्ट हिम, और उसके बाद कुछ ऐसा होता है दैट मेक्स हिम इंट्रोस्पेक्ट। Meanwhile, there's a Bihari migrant worker who chances upon a packet of 3 kilo heroin. वो उसे बेचने की कोशिश करती है ये सोच के कि उसकी लाइफ वहाँ से चेंज हो जाएगी। Her life does change post that, but not the way she had thought. Then there is a corrupt police officer सरताज सिंह जो कुछ पैसों के लिए अपनी टीम के साथ मिलकर ड्रग्स के कंसाइनमेंट को आने जाने देता है। Only when his brother gets hospitalized due to drug abuse, he realizes his mistake. Shahid Kapoor has essayed the role of Tommy Singh, and while he is good in some scenes, overall he fails to impress as you soon get tired of watching his wide-eyed frivolous character. फिल्म में उनके कैरेक्टर को देख के लगता है that it is based on Yo-Yo Honey Singh. His look is cool, but that's that. Alia Bhatt has performed very well in the second half, लेकिन उनका diction clear नहीं है। ऊपर से she has spoken in whatever little Bhojpuri she knows, तो आपको सारे words समझ में नहीं आते and that can be quite annoying. But she's worked very hard on her character and that shows on screen. Diljit Dosanjh has essayed the role of Sartaaj Singh and he's perfect in his role. He's charming on screen and has performed really well. Kareena Kapoor Khan has played Dr. Preet and she too has done a great job. लेकिन वो फिल्म में दिलजीत से बड़ी लग रही हैं और उन दोनों के बीच वो केमिस्ट्री भी नजर नहीं आती। Now whether this film is worth watching or not, trust me, ये फिल्म इतनी बोरिंग और अनइंटरेस्टिंग है कि अगर मुझे ये रिव्यू नहीं करना होता तो या तो मैं आधी फिल्म से उठकर चली जाती या सो जाती। I literally had to pinch myself to stay awake. All the 4 stories are very random and does not really give any insight into the drug menace in Punjab, and it only touches upon the surface of the problem. The screenplay is tedious and fails to grab your attention. This film was supposed to be a crime thriller, but trust me, there is no thrill factor in it. एक drug addict drugs के लिए क्या कुछ कर देता है and how his mental and physical state gets affected due to substance abuse, इन सब चीजों पर ध्यान ही नहीं दिया गया है। In fact, not even one actor has been able to bring this forth through his or her performance. एक आम आदमी में जितना स्टैमिना नहीं होता उतना इस फिल्म के एडिक्ट्स में है। वो ड्रग्स की लत होने के बावजूद 108 किलोमीटर साइकिल चला लेते हैं, मीलों भागते रहते हैं और इतनी तेज भागते हैं कि चलती हुई बस तक पकड़ लेते हैं। I think the makers of this film didn't really do any research on addicts. We all know that it's very difficult to kick the habit, लेकिन हमारे प्रोटैगनिस्ट बस एक दिन मन बना लेते हैं और ड्रग्स करना छोड़ देते हैं। इतना डिटर्मिनेशन! I think हमारे मेकर्स ये बात भूल गए कि it's just not कि आपने एक दिन सोच लिया ड्रग्स दी मादी and it's over. You crave for it, and even after months of rehabilitation, people find it difficult to stop doing drugs. Director Abhishek Chaubey has shot the film at several real-life locations, and he has also focused on the look of his actors. But I so wish कि उन्होंने screenplay और script में भी इतना ही ध्यान दिया होता। फिल्म के बहुत सारे डायलॉग्स भोजपुरी और पंजाबी में हैं, and those who are not familiar with these languages are going to have a tough time watching this one. However, the background score and the songs are quite nice. I think the makers should be really thankful to the CBFC members as उनकी वजह से इस फिल्म को इतनी फ्री की पब्लिसिटी मिल गई, and now whatever footfall they will get, they can give the credit to the censor board. अगर ये controversy नहीं होती, then nobody would have really cared about this monotonous film. फिल्म देखते हुए मैं सोच रही थी कि काश वो 89 कट्स होते तो शायद ये फिल्म थोड़ी और छोटी हो जाती और ये टॉर्चर जल्दी खत्म होता। I so wish Anurag would have made a documentary or a short film on this subject, as it was a major disappointment as a full feature film. Watch this film if you know nothing about drug abuse, या आपके पास वीकेंड में करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, or if you are a fan of the film's actors. I give this film a rating of 1.5 stars. So that's all I have for you this weekend. I'll catch you next time with something new and something fresh. Till then, stay tuned to Movie Talkies and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.